going to evacuate and you wait too late, you get trapped, you can't get out.
Wow, yeah, it's really traffic of people evacuating on the other. It's really traffic. Look at. Huh?
Something crushed its head.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Huh?
Did you crush its head?
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did. I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
Guys, welcome back, and today we're going out. We are going to have lunch or dinner at Chinese restaurant. Last night, guys, I'm not able to sleep. I'm feeling not so well. I have a problem with stomach again. I think I have a lot of acids. So today I feel like I'm craving with Filipino food, because in the Philippines when we are sick, our parents always make soup for us, like Filipino soup, like sinigang or tinola, so that it fill our upper stomach better. So that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm craving with sinigang, but I don't have like fish or shrimp or other ingredients for sinigang. So Charles said we're just going to Chinese restaurant. I think I'm going to get like hot and sour soup. I feel like I wanted something that is sour. Really, sinigang, I don't love sinigang or tinola, but I can't cook them today. And also, guys, look what I saw on our garage. I was like, why do you have this Filipino cookbook? I saw this when I'm fixing the garage the other day, and I'm so really craving with the Filipino food. So look at this. Charles has this Filipino cookbook. He said his workmates gave this to him when his office mate knows that he has a Filipina wife. And look at the food. I'm so craving. So I think this is adobo, and this is tortang talong or eggplant, and this is a what do you call that? Marinated pork. Ayun, ang sarap. Oh my gosh, this is a squid. And ang sarap. And then I think, I know, this, I love this one. Anchovy sauce, and this is bananas. It's like a plantain something, but it's bananas. And I love this one, kapag ginataan. And wow, this is how we cook in the Philippines. We always have this for garlic. And this is our, what do you call this? This is our pan that we use in the Philippines. And I don't know what is this for. And I think, oh, this is the soup. Let's go to the soup. This is the tinola, guys. Wow, it made with ginger. The main ingredients there is ginger, and then it's either a chili, what do you call that, leaves, or this malunggay leaves, or moringa. You call it in in English moringa, and I don't know, other people. And ito masarap. Wow, isda. Parang tinolang isda. In miso, ayan. I hope I can cook this very soon, guys, so that you will see. And one of my favorite, this is sinigang na hipon, or sinigang shrimp. Sinigang shrimp soup, macaroni soup. Yan yung mga Filipino foods. Wow, it's so yummy. Ayan yung, I really miss this one, tilapia. Ang sarap. So, ayan, ito na yung eggplant. I think this one is banana blossom. Ito yung puso ng saging. Ang sarap, ayun o. Banana blossom. It's one of my favorite, especially if it has a coconut milk. Yun, ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap ng mga pagkain dito. Yun, halo-halo. Ang sarap. And then, bibingka. Hindi ako masyado sa bibingka, but I love this one, turon. I'm planning to make this one, but I'm not able to buy plantain yesterday, or saging na saba. And, oh, this is one of my favorite. Then, ano ba tawag natin ito? Ginataang bilo-bilo. Ang sarap. And then, this one is sweet purple yam pudding. Ang sarap din yan. And this one is Charles' favorite. This is, anong tawag dito? I forgot. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko anong tawag dito. Nalagay. Yan, masarap. Yan yung mga a lot of Filipino food. Kaya nag-crave ako bigla. Parang gusto kong ng something na Filipino food today. Wala tayong choice because we don't have Filipino restaurant here. So, we are going to Chinese restaurant instead. Parang meron naman silang, they have same kind of taste. Not really, but it's fine. At least it's Asian food and has rice. So I will try to cook all of this. It's actually 85 home style recipes delight for fall meal and friends. 85 recipes, guys. I'm going to try cooking them. It's really perfect. I love this. I really love this cookbook. Look at that. Really nice. So next time we're going to try those. Habs, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're just waiting for me. Why? I've been ready. I've also been waiting for you here.
We were doing some kind of video or something.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, while waiting for you, so let's go, guys. Where is my phone? Oh, my phone I think is in my office. Let's get it. It's sunny again right now, pero earlier, ano siya, maulan kanina, cloudy. Pero ngayon, it's sunny again. Oh, ang bilis mag-charge ng phone ko. I'm using that Smile Power
We need to get these chairs.
power bank. We don't need it. We don't need to get it right now. We can do it when we come back. I'm using the Smile power bank and it's full right away. It's just like I think 10 minutes ago when I charged it.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Gourmet. Chinese gourmet. Oh gosh, gourmet is such a bar Asian cuisine. Thanks God it's not really crowded today.
It's not crowded at all.
Because people is already evacuating. So we are here already in the Chinese restaurant and Charles is trying to think what he wants. That's my husband, very handsome. This is the Chinese gourmet soup.
Lord, we thank you and praise you for your goodness. Pray for your healing touch for Kathy, May, Stomach, and for me. Thank you, God, for your safety. Thank you for the provisions. Thank you for your love more than anything else. In Jesus' name.
Amen. And it is the soup, sinigang soup.
Well, not exactly, but
Good. Looks yummy.
evacuate. You wait too late, you get trapped, you can't get out.
Wow, yeah, it's really traffic of people evacuating on the other. It's really traffic. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The rain has begun.
I don't know, are we?
Yeah, you're stopping by at most. What are we going to do here?
I don't know. What do you
Oh,
know?
we're going to buy like cans of for
I'm just
gasoline.
going to see if they've got them. I don't even know if they've got them.
Okay.
But I figure it's not too far to come over here and check.
In the old house, we still have a lot of gas supposed to be there, right? We just throw them all when we moved the.
The gas was bad. You're talking about, if you're talking about the gasoline itself, the gasoline itself was way too old. Gasoline,
The one that we
you
use.
can't keep gasoline.
The one that we use for the generator.
Yeah, it was too
When
old.
there's a hurricane last time.
Yeah, it was
My
too old.
goodness. That gasoline was wasted. And we should bring some gallons that from the old house. Did you just throw them out?
No.
So mag-stop by kami guys. Titingin kami ng gasoline cans. Kasi we are having a hurricane. So that we can buy some gas. But in case that we're going to have mandatory evacuation. We're going to our old house and we're going to stay there for like until everything will be fine. A lot of generators. Dami generator. Cans no more. They are ready. So we're not able to buy a gasoline cans, guys, because they don't have stock anymore, and we just bought another case of water. It's not that really big deal for us because in case that we're going to have problem here, we're just going to our new house, so we're not that really worried. And we're right now, we are here in the gasoline station right now. Charles trying to fill up our car, so that in case that we're going to drive somewhere, we have some gas. But our Lowe's in here is very ready. They have a lot of stock of what do you call this, generator, water. You can see it's like they're lined up a lot. So the weather right now is still kind of really cloudy. You can see on that end, guys, there it's really cloudy in that side, and it started raining today. So yan yung mga preparations namin today. I'm not that really feeling well right now. I'm having stomach ache last night because we tried a new coffee. My coffee na binili si Charles, I forgot what is the name of the coffee, and it really hurt my stomach so bad. I love the Starbucks and Pete's, it's fine with me, but we tried this another, is this Great Mountain? I forgot, but it really gives me a stomach ache. Are you in the wrong lane?
No.
I think because I saw people's
Depends
like
on where your gas tank is. Some cars it's on the driver's side, some
okay.
it's on the passenger side.
Okay. Nagsasaya ang mga birds. Parang ang linis ngayon ng parking. Wala masyadong tao. Mga birds lang yung nag-iingay. Drugstore.
I'm going to get Imodium and probably some antacids.
Antacids?
Yes.
Establishment here now is not really busy. You see?
Yeah.
It's like people is really busy preparing for the storm.
Depends on where you are. At Lowe's or Home Depot, it's probably very busy.
So punta tayo sa Walgreens, guys. Bibili si Charles ng antacids. It's gone. Huh?
Something crushed its head.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Huh?
Did you crush its head?
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
It's a plastic.
Is it plastic?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying to trick him with that. Ito na siya. What? I put this one in there and Charles thought it's a real snake. Guys, it's already night and I'm trying to start editing my videos here. So my light here is kind of dark, look. So my computer there, I'm asking Charles if he can change the light. I think it's only one bulb working there, that's why it's kind of dark in my room, and it's only this side is working, the other one is not. A lot of work. Their bulb looks like this. Oh, we need a flashlight. Oh, it's already dark, that's why. The other one is not working anymore, right?
Two of them are burnt out.
Oh, that's why it's so dark. Oh, wow! I love that. Thank you so much for the...
Turn the fan on so I can make sure you got the right speed. I don't know. I wanted to check and make sure that this thing would work.
Oh, you off it.
What speed do you want the fan on? You don't want
2.
2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's 2.
Okay.
Is that what you want?
Yes. Or maybe just 1.
1?
Yeah. Yeah, that one's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so hot, Tabs. Thank you so much for helping me
You're welcome.
with my light. It's so bright now. I love it.